Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making khichdi with quinoa and masoor dal. To make khichdi, I have taken 1 cup of quinoa and 1 cup of masoor dal. You can use tur dal instead of masoor dal. Today I am going to make my khichdi in the instant pot. You can cook the khichdi in the pressure cooker or instant pot. First of all, wash the quinoa thoroughly, then add 4 to 5 cups of water. So I added 4 cups of water in this and then added 1 cup later, but you can use all 5 cups now. Then add the vegetables. I am using potato, carrot, zucchini, green chilli and grated ginger. You can also use beans, cauliflower and tomato. Now add some salt and turmeric powder. Put the vessel in the instant pot and turn it on. Now pressure cook for 10 minutes. Now let us make the tempering. To make tempering, I have taken 2 tablespoons of ghee in a thick bottom pan. I heated the ghee on medium flame. After the ghee has been melted, then I added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You may use any choice of your healthy cooking oil. When the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 red chillies, a pinch of hing, few curry leaves and a handful of cashew nuts. The khichdi has been cooked in the instant pot. After 10 minutes, I removed it from the instant pot. Now go ahead and add this khichdi to the tempering. You can make this khichdi for dinner or lunch box. Now I am adding 1 more cup of water. So total I used 5 cups of water for 1 cup of quinoa and 1 cup of masoor dal. So if you want a little more loose consistency, you can add little bit more water as you desire. Mix it well and add a handful of finely chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. It gives such a nice taste to our khichdi. Cook it in the low flame for 2 more minutes and switch off the flame. Finish it up with 1 teaspoon of ghee. Sprinkle some cilantro and serve it hot with raita or any chutney. You can just eat it as it is. Try this recipe, enjoy with your family and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please visit my Telugu channel also and don't forget to like my Facebook page.